like to sort of start from that point of view, of course, that the 5G is still the reality for us. During the last 40 years, we have seen a lot of different Gs coming. If I think about from 1G, 2G, 3G, those were networks that we were building for human to human communications. And with the 4G, we started to talk about human to machine, kind of a fast internet connectivity. And now when we move via the 5G Advanced as an evolution towards 6G, the 6G will become to be a network of sensing. It will be, we have here actually in Chitex, we are talking about our 2030 vision, and we'll talk more about the network as sensing, the type of ultra communications that will come, AI, ML. So a lot of things will change when we get into the 6G era. But before that, let's implement the 5G and 5G Advanced. At Nokia, we've created technology that helps the world to act together. And our portfolio, of course, we continue to work on a couple of key topics. So sustainability is one of those. So in our products that we are also showing here, we take the energy efficiency, so the footprint of our products, but also we are looking at the handprint. So what are the things we are doing beyond? So what's the impact of our technology? Circular economy for sure is one of those things. And for us at Nokia, so the portfolio we are showing here also demonstrates our kind of a pride that we take on our ethical aspect for the business. So even though there are technologies that we show here, but today on the 11th of October, we have our Integrity Day. And that's where we are taking the pride that we are the most ethical company in the world. And in this industry and for the region, it is extremely important also. So of course in the region we have a huge variety of customers. So we have here in the Gulf area, in UAE and in Saudi and everywhere else, we have the most advanced customers in the world. And on the other side, I have in Africa customers with very low ARPU and who are still focusing on 2G, 3G. Of course here today we are showing the technology, and what we are working on is on our latest ReefShark chips, what type of products we are bringing, for example, in the 32 by 32 massive MIMO as well as 64 by 64. The technology that we are showing here is basically proving the industry's lightest kind of a massive MIMO active antennas, up to only 17 kilos. This is very important for our customers. When I compare that to the industry, we have the least weight and the least kind of a wind load. So it means that they can build the networks in the same environment that they have. They don't need to kind of strengthen the towers or things like that. We're also showing products like IPA, which is where we can combine when you have 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G into one antenna unit, and that helps the customers to save space. We're also showing our latest baseband technology, an outdoor version that you can use in a very nice way on kind of a multiple. It's a plug and play type of a solution that helps our customers to build the networks. And we're also showing some of our latest indoor coverage solutions. And I think those together are all kind of a proof points on the latest technology on using the industry-leading ReefShark chipsets.